So what is up going on, guys? This is Peter's and I'm back again with another tutorial. This tutorial will be on how to make your first Discord bot. So the first thing you need to do is download node.js, link will be in description. Then you have to open your Discord bot portal. Again, this link will be also in description. New application, and you're gonna write, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna make a new application named this tutorial bot. Create it. Then as you can see, now you need to go to bot, add bot. Yes, do it. Now here you will see the token. Now this is very important. Don't share your token to anyone unknown, because they can use it to log in into your bot account. So to get this bot into a familiar server, you need to go to 0 or 2 bot administrator, so that we don't get any error when we are making the bot. Copy this link, paste it into another tab. Now add this to a familiar server. Make sure you have managed server permissions. That's why you need to make your own. Verify, and boom. Now this bot will be in your server. Currently it's offline. Now to make it online, we're just gonna first copy the token, and I'll be using Visual Studio for this, and you need to make a new bot folder. So after you have installed node.js, first thing you need to do is go to your bot folder, create a new text document, name it for example terminal, and the file type should be .bat. Now go to edit. Now write cmd, which is short for command prompt.exe. Save it. Now run this. Now it will open exactly in this folder. So now you need to type npm init. Now it's gonna say that this utility will walk you through creating a package.json file. You just now package name, I'm just gonna write bot, version, enter. Description, this is a tutorial bot. Entry point, this is the main file of your bot, so you can name it anything. I'm just gonna name it main.js. You can also leave this blank, and you'll have to name your file index.js. Test command, you can skip this. Skip git repository, you can also skip this. Keywords, you can skip this. Author is basically who is creating this, so I'm just gonna write this. You can write your own name here. License, you can skip this, and then you can write yes if it's fine, and then you write npm install discord.js. Now after it has installed, now if you will see that there are 3 new files: node modules, package.json, and package-log.json. So all these three contain information. Package.json contains the information that we entered just now. Node modules contains the packages, like we installed discord.js. This also contains the packages and different types of data. So now we can get started with making a bot. So you need to make a new file, and we are gonna name it main.js. So I'm just gonna be using Visual Studio for this. So yeah, now open the file. Okay, so now we can get started with the content. So I'm just gonna define a new constant and name it discord is equal to require discord.js. Then you're going to define another variable, and this time you'll name it client is equal to new discord.client. Sorry, that should be capital. And now you will define another constant, and this should be token is equal to the token. It should be in single quotes. And now you're gonna start typing client dot on ready comma ready equal to sign lesser than sign curly braces, open them and write console.log. This bot is now online. Now after this you'll need to write client.login token. Okay, so now you're pretty much ready. So you just open command prompt now and write node space dot. Now if it works fine, it should display this bot is now online. And if you go into Discord, the tutorial bot is now online. So now we can get started with making our own commands. So now you need to create another client.on message comma message and equal to sign and a lesser sign curly braces, open them and then write, okay, I just forgot one thing, you need to type async message is equal to smaller than sign and curly braces if message.author.bot return. Now this exactly means that if the messaging person is a bot, so you give no response, and then you need to define another constant const default prefix is equal to I think I'll put it as an exclamation mark. You can change it if you want, and then we're gonna write another if statement. If message for content dot starts with the prefix, then you define these variables. Const arguments is equal to message dot content dot slice prefix dot length dot trim dot split backslash plus a backslash semicolon. Then you need to define command, const command is equal to arguments, args for short, dot shift dot to lowercase, so that if the user types in caps, so it just changes it into lowercase. And now if we want to find the errors, like if we get an error, so we can just type if client dot command dot has command return. So like if the person already has the command, so it just returns nothing. So now we're gonna write try client.commands.get command dot run client comma message comma args. Now we are going to catch the error, so catch error. Now we are going to set the error in the console, so console.log error. Let's just check if our code is working, and if you want to get out of here, you can just press Ctrl C, node space dot. Okay, this bot is now online, so it's perfectly working. So now to make things easier, we are going to store all of our commands in a folder. So we are just going to go up, give some spacing here, and we are just going to write client.commands is equal to new discord collection, and then we are going to write const command files is equal to and now I remember you need a reader sync also, so we need to get another package. So just press Ctrl C, Ctrl C, npm install fs. Okay, so it's installed. Now you just define a variable const read the sync is equal to require fs. Okay, after that you need to write read the sync join the name command. We are just going to name the file commands, then dot filter, so that it only finds the files that end with JS and not like text documents or something else. Filter file is equal to smaller than sign file dot ends with with can't type today, with .js. So I think we are good to go. Let's just check if there are any errors. Join is not defined. Oh, okay. I just remembered we need to define another variable. Sorry. Okay, this shouldn't be there. Okay, we need to define a variable named join equal to require path, and we're just gonna add another package npm install path. Okay, when it's added, and now it should work. The name is not defined. Okay guys, so there's been some errors. I'm just gonna check it out. Okay, so after researching a bit on Stack Overflow and stuff, I got to know that I forgot to write the for command thing here. So you need to write for const file of command files. You can name it anything, but I'm just gonna write const files. Const command is equal to require join the name comma commands comma and these special characters you can say, which you can find above your tab key, $file, and below that you need to write client.commands.set command.name command. Okay, so now hopefully we should be good to go. Join is not a function. Oh, okay. We need to put them in curly braces. Okay. No, no. Yeah. Okay, so now after we have done this, we need to make a new file. I'm just gonna name it commands. So now essentially we have done most of the parts. Now we are just gonna create a new file, and we are just gonna create the most basic function ever, and I'm just gonna name it ping.js. So yeah, it's working, and now we just need to open that file. So we just Control O and select this file, open ping.js, boom, and now it's open. Okay, so to get started, we need to always define discord is equal to require discord.js done module dot exports, and now comes the part name ping comma description, and I'm just gonna write a normal ping command and async run sorry, I think it should be run async client comma command comma args, and now we are going to write message dot channel dot send pong. Now let's test it. Node dot unexpected token. I think I'm missing something. Okay, so but the thing I've done is I forgot to put an equal to here, and this can be async run also. Okay, so hopefully now it should work. So let's see. Cannot read property set of undefined. I think there should be an S coming here. Let's see. Okay, so now it's saying this bot is now online. So let's check it out if this works. So I'm just gonna write ping, not you, callbot. I think we are getting an error or something. Message is not defined. Oh, okay. We had to write message here. Now it should work. Again, I did Control C here, so keep that in mind. Now let's hope that this works. Dash ping, and it works. So yeah, here's our first command, pong, officially working. So we will add more commands, and don't be a programmer like me, like giving no space between them. So give space between the lines so it's easier to read. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.